Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Dealing with your iPhone constantly showing the Apple logo and then turning off can be quite frustrating. Here we are with comprehensive guide with various methods to potentially fix this issue. So let's get started. First, start with charging your iPhone. Sometimes an iPhone may continuously reboot due to a drained battery. So connect your iPhone to a charger using the original charging cable and let it charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes without interruption. Secondly, if charging does not resolve the issue, try performing a forced restart. This can help in cases where the iPhone is stuck in a boot loop. So press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. And if your iPhone is 6S and earlier, then press and hold the home button and then sleep awake power button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. If the problem persists after trying the above methods, you may need to restore your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. This process will erase all data on a device, so ensure you have a backup. So, firstly, connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Select your iPhone when it appears in iTunes. Now, tap on the restore option available there and follow the on screen instructions to complete the restoration process. None of the above methods work. It is possible that your iPhone has a hardware issue. In this case, it's best to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance and possible repair options. So that is it. By following these methods, you can troubleshoot and hopefully resolve the issue of your iPhone repeatedly showing the Apple logo and turning off. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.